Morning, everyone. Do you know what a shamrock is? A shamrock is, a shamrock is. Do you know what a shamrock is? A shamrock is a plant. Do you know where a shamrock grows? A shamrock grows, a shamrock grows. Do you know where a shamrock grows? A shamrock grows in the ground. Do you know what color shamrock is? A shamrock is, a shamrock is. Do you know what color a shamrock is? A shamrock is green. Very good. And today is a special day. You look up here, I have some pictures. These are some Irish children doing some Irish dancing, celebrating a special day. It's called St. Patrick's Day. And here's some children dressed up for St. Patrick's Day. They're wearing little leprechaun hats and bows and green color to celebrate the Irish St. Patrick's Day. And leprechauns. So I'm going to put my leprechaun, give my leprechaun a little shamrock here and a little shamrock there. So St. Patrick's Day is a special holiday for Ireland. And I come from England, but my grandpa and lots of my family also come from Ireland. So I thought today we'd do some fizzing shamrocks. And you take the color yellow and the color blue and you hug them together. It makes the color green. Very good. When you hug yellow and blue, it makes green. When you hug yellow and blue, it makes green. When you hug these colors, you'll see a beautiful shimmering shamrock green. When you hug yellow and blue, you get green. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.